Hey there, space explorers! Have you ever looked up at the night sky and wondered, what's going on up there? Well, get ready for an amazing journey because we're about to uncover the cosmic dance of planets and stars. Everything in space is constantly moving. It's like a giant, never-ending ballet with twirls, spins, and orbits. But don't worry, it's not as complicated as it sounds. Once you understand a few basic things, you'll be able to explain the movements of planets and stars like a real astronomer. So, buckle up, space cadets. We're about to blast off on an adventure to discover the incredible movements happening right above us. Get ready to be amazed. Let's start with our home planet, Earth. When you look up at the sky, it might seem like everything is standing still, but in reality, our planet is always on the move. Earth is not just floating quietly in space, it's spinning and traveling at incredible speeds. Did you know that Earth is constantly spinning like a top? Imagine a basketball spinning on your finger, but much, much bigger and faster. This spinning is happening all the time, even though we can't feel it because everything around us is moving at the same speed. We call this spinning motion rotation. It's one of the most important movements our planet makes, and it affects our lives every single day. Earth rotates on its axis, which is an invisible line that runs straight through the planet from the North Pole to the South Pole. This axis is slightly tilted, which is why we experience different seasons throughout the year. As Earth spins, different parts of the planet face the sun and then turn away from it. This rotation is what causes day and night. When your part of the world faces the sun, it's daytime. When it turns away, it's nighttime. It takes about 24 hours for Earth to complete one full rotation. That means every single day, the planet spins all the way around once. That's why we have 24 hours in a day. The clock you use to tell time is actually keeping track of Earth's amazing spin, but Earth's movement doesn't stop there. While it's spinning, our planet is also zooming through space on a much bigger journey. Earth travels around the sun in a giant, slightly oval-shaped path called an orbit. This journey is much longer than a single day. It takes an entire year to go all the way around. While it's spinning like a top, Earth is also traveling around the sun in a path called an orbit. This means that at the same time we're experiencing day and night, we're also slowly moving through space, making our way around the sun. It takes Earth about 365 days to complete one full orbit around the sun. That's what we call a year. That's why we have 365 days in a year. Each day is one spin, and each year is one trip around the sun. And because Earth's axis is tilted as it orbits the sun, we experience changing seasons: spring, summer, autumn, and winter. The combination of spinning and orbiting makes life on Earth full of variety and excitement. So, next time you celebrate your birthday, remember that you've completed another amazing trip around the sun. Every year, you and everyone on Earth take this incredible journey together, spinning and traveling through space on our beautiful blue planet. Earth isn't the only planet dancing around the sun. Our solar system is like a busy neighborhood with 8 planets, each following its own special path or orbit around the sun. Some planets, like Mercury and Venus, have shorter orbits than Earth. That means their years are shorter than ours. Other planets, like Mars, Jupiter, and Saturn, have longer orbits and therefore longer years. Just like Earth, all the other planets also rotate on their axes, but at different speeds. For example, Jupiter, the largest planet in our solar system, rotates much faster than Earth. It only takes about 10 hours for Jupiter to complete one rotation. Can you imagine having a day that's only 10 hours long? That would be a very short school day. Now let's zoom out even further and talk about stars. When you look up at the night sky, you might see hundreds or even thousands of tiny points of light. But what you're really seeing are just a tiny fraction of the stars in our galaxy. There are actually billions more out there, far beyond what our eyes can see. Each one of those stars is a blazing sphere of gas, burning bright and hot, scattered across the vastness of space. Stars are giant balls of hot gas that emit light and heat. Our own sun is just one of these stars, but it's special to us because it's so close, lighting up our days and warming our planet. Most stars are much farther away, which is why they look so small from Earth. They may look like tiny twinkling dots in the night sky, but they're actually enormous and incredibly far away. Some stars are so big that if you place them where our sun is, they would stretch out past the orbit of Jupiter. Others are smaller, but all of them are much, much bigger than our planet. Just like planets, stars are also in constant motion. Even though they seem fixed in the sky, they're actually moving at incredible speeds, traveling through space as part of a grand cosmic dance. Our sun, which is a star, is moving too. It's not just sitting still in space. In fact, it's racing through the galaxy at about 220 kilometers per second, carrying all the planets, including Earth, along with it. It's orbiting around the center of our galaxy, the Milky Way. This journey takes the sun about 230 million years to complete just one lap around the galaxy's core. Imagine how many times the dinosaurs came and went while the sun was making just a fraction of that trip. The Milky Way is a huge collection of billions of stars, all held together by gravity. It's shaped like a giant spiral, with arms that swirl out from the center, and our solar system is just one tiny part of this enormous structure. Imagine a giant cosmic whirlpool with stars swirling around like colorful marbles, and that's kind of what our galaxy looks like. The stars move together, but each one follows its own unique path, creating a mesmerizing, ever-changing pattern. Stars move in different ways within a galaxy. Some travel quickly, while others move more slowly. Some stars even get flung out of the galaxy entirely, becoming what astronomers call rogue stars. Some stars orbit the galactic center in relatively circular paths, gliding smoothly around the core like dancers moving in a ring, while others follow more elongated orbits. These stars swing far out from the center and then swoop back in, tracing long, stretched-out loops through the galaxy. Some stars even travel in groups or clusters, like a cosmic family on a road trip. These clusters can contain hundreds, thousands, or even millions of stars, all born from the same giant cloud of gas and dust, journeying together through the galaxy for millions of years. The universe is truly a grand ballroom, and every star is a dancer, moving to the rhythm of gravity and time. If you thought things couldn't get any bigger, hold on tight. We're about to zoom out to a scale that's almost impossible to imagine. Beyond planets, beyond stars, and even beyond solar systems, we find ourselves in the realm of galaxies. Enormous collections of stars, gas, dust, and dark matter, all bound together by gravity. These are the true giants of the cosmos, each one a sprawling city of stars, and they are not standing still. Galaxies themselves are also in motion. They spin, they drift, and they travel through the universe at incredible speeds, sometimes hundreds of kilometers per second. This movement is not random. It's shaped by the gravity of other galaxies, the mysterious pull of dark matter, and the expansion of the universe itself. Our own Milky Way galaxy is on a journey through the cosmos, moving through space as part of a larger group of galaxies known as the Local Group. And it's not alone. Our galactic neighbors, like the Andromeda Galaxy and the Triangulum Galaxy, are traveling with us, each on their own unique paths. The universe is vast and filled with billions of other galaxies, each containing billions or even trillions of stars. Some galaxies are small and faint, while others are massive and bright, stretching across hundreds of thousands of light years. When we look deep into the night sky, every patch of darkness could be hiding countless galaxies, each with its own story. These galaxies are spread out across incredible distances, separated by vast stretches of empty space. The distances between them are so immense that even light, traveling at 300,000 kilometers per second, can take millions of years to cross from one galaxy to another. And yet, despite these unimaginable distances, galaxies are constantly moving relative to one another, shaped by the invisible threads of gravity and the ongoing expansion of the universe. Imagine a giant cosmic ocean, with galaxies as islands scattered across its surface. Some are close together, forming clusters and superclusters, while others drift alone in the darkness. Over billions of years, these islands of stars slowly drift, sometimes coming together, sometimes moving apart, and always interacting in subtle and spectacular ways. Some galaxies collide and merge, creating spectacular displays of cosmic fireworks. When two galaxies meet, their stars rarely crash into each other, but their clouds of gas and dust can spark bursts of new star formation, lighting up the universe with brilliant new stars. These galactic collisions can reshape entire galaxies, creating new forms and structures that last for billions of years. Other galaxies simply pass by each other, their gravity gently tugging and influencing their paths. These close encounters can stretch and distort galaxies, pulling out long streams of stars and gas, and sometimes sending smaller galaxies spinning off into the darkness. The movement of galaxies is a testament to the dynamic and ever-evolving nature of our universe. Nothing in the cosmos is truly still. Everything is in motion, from the tiniest particles to the largest structures we can imagine. Over cosmic timescales, galaxies shift, merge, and transform, painting an ever-changing picture across the universe. It's a cosmic dance on a grand scale, with galaxies swirling, colliding, and moving through the vastness of space. Each galaxy is a traveler, a drifting island in the endless ocean of the universe, and together, they create a breathtaking spectacle that reminds us just how dynamic and interconnected our cosmos truly is. Here are some fun facts to impress your friends. Did you know that you're traveling through space incredibly fast right now? As Earth rotates, orbits the Sun, and moves with the Milky Way, you're on a wild cosmic ride. The speed of light is the fastest speed in the universe. It travels at approximately 299,792,458 meters per second. If you could travel at the speed of light, it would still take you about 4 years to reach the nearest star system to our own Alpha Centauri. The universe is a vast and mysterious place, filled with wonders beyond our imagination. And there's still so much we have to learn about the movements of planets, stars, and galaxies that fill the cosmos. But one thing's for sure, this cosmic dance is a beautiful and awe-inspiring spectacle to witness that reminds us of the incredible forces at play in our universe, shaping everything we see. So, keep looking up at the night sky, ask questions, and let your curiosity guide you, and never stop exploring the wonders of space that await us all. There's always something new to discover out there.